going on, guys? This is a follow-up video to my RGB color password program. This one is a little code snippet you could add on to it. It's a token in the color password program. You could give it a key. You could to log in. You would also need a key, a token, a key or a token. You would also need a key or a token to log in to the RGB color password program. If you add this code snippet onto it, a token code. This is a token code. Save your token on a file. This is my token. It could be as long as you want. It could be thousands of letters and numbers long randomly. It's meant for safety. Don't show anyone your tokens. And then in the program, it points to the file. It just grabs the file itself. Grabs the file itself. Here, I put this here into the master token data. You could put your token in here if you want. A big, strong password token. You would need your token and your key to log in. This one just grabs the file itself, the text file, and grabs the numbers and letters from the text file itself. Compares it if it's right. So you could have your password, your token password stored on your computer or somewhere safely on a USB or somewhere safely. Look at the source code now. It'll check if it matches, if your token file, your text file, your token file matches you'll be able to log in. That's your passes. You'll be able to log in your account or whatever. Master key goes alongside the color password program. Try it out. This is the password. This is the program name, tokens.py. My token key is just called token.txt. It's a text file. It'll take that text file and see if it matches what I put in my master key data. And if it does, I'll be able to log in. Like a password. It goes along with the RGB color password program. Token verified. The program works. File matches master sequence. You could add more than one token. Just master token data 2 and master token data 3. I always imagined there'd be 3 of them. Modify it to your liking. Break it down. Study the code. Add a few more token data if you want. A few more token files. Make it real strong. That's it, guys. So that's the whole video. Token code, master key, passwords, RGB color password program. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.